This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, AMC restructured debt, pushed it out a couple of years, and while this is a good thing, I think we need to get a copy of that debt agreement, okay? We need to get a copy of that restructuring agreement, because there's some things that is being reported that sounds very, very fishy to me, okay? If you look behind me, above my head, they said that they're going to transfer the theaters into a different unit of the company to keep them away from creditors, to keep them out the reach of creditors. Now, if you plan on paying your bills, if you're making money hand over fist, why would you need to protect your assets from creditors unless you plan on letting one unit of the company go bankrupt while you protect the other unit of the company? I mean, this doesn't make any sense to me. As shareholders, I think we should be entitled to see a copy of this debt restructuring order or agreement, or whatever you want to call it, because it sounds fishy to me. The fact that they're trying to keep debt out of the reach of creditors means that they plan on doing something to make creditors come after their debt. Like they're planning on not paying, and these assets are going to be safe. But what about the other assets that's in the other unit? Listen, whenever I read anything that says you're hiding debt from creditors, my antennas go up. My antennas go up, and it tells me something fishy is probably going on. I'm not saying it is going on, but I'm saying that I don't like it. I don't like when you start talking about hiding debt from creditors, keeping debt out of the reach of creditors. That tells me that you're going to keep one unit strong and allow the other unit to collapse. That's what I'm reading into it. But so that I don't have any misconceptions about exactly what they're doing, I would like to see the debt restructuring agreement. Why don't Adam Aaron put that agreement on the investor website so we could take a look at it, so we could read it? Because I'm nervous right now. I'm nervous right now as to exactly what they're doing. I'm nervous as to what they're doing. If they're trying to hide debt from creditors, trying to keep debt out of the reach of creditors, that tells me they plan on doing something where creditors are gonna start going after their assets. I mean, who hides assets from any other person? In a divorce, people start hiding assets, start doing nonsense. Okay? So is he trying to divorce retail investors? I mean, what is he trying to do? Why does he need to protect assets from creditors? I'm not understanding it. It's not making sense to me. It's raising all kind of red flags with me. All kinds of red flags. Okay? All kind of red flags this is raising with me. I would like to read the debt restructuring agreement. We as shareholders have a right to see it, and he should put it on the AMC investor website. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that Adam Aaron and the board of AMC should allow us to look at this new debt restructuring agreement where they're going to put assets outside the reach of creditors? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.